Hi guys, this is your host Shanvi and Sanvi, and welcome back to another episode of the True Biz podcast. In today's episode, we will be going down a different path from a small business to a medium-sized company.
To begin, we would like to introduce Mr. Nitin Shah, CEO of Systemart, of a recruitment and hiring company. Let's take a dive in and get started. To begin, let's discuss what Systemart is and what is the motive of the company.
Systemart is currently a staffing and software solution company. It's been in business for over 25 years. Initially, when we started the company, the intention was to offer a low-cost solution to the businesses so they can compete better. But over the years, the business model has changed, and right now we are more of a staffing, whereby we are providing qualified resources to our customers nationwide in different industries, such as initially we started out with IT, and then we branch out into other areas as per our customer requirements. So we do IT, we do finance and accounting, we do engineering, we do healthcare, we do sales and marketing, legal. We have provided people in all these areas. And there are two major kind of things that we do. Most of our clients require our employees to be on their staff on a temporary basis for maybe a period of 3+ months, and it can keep on going and going. And we have some clients whereby we have people working for over 5 years, 10 years as well. At the same time, the second model is where a client says, I want to hire a person or convert somebody that has already been hired earlier that's been working out there. So we are open to both the options as well. So one is called the contract to hire, the second one is called full-time placement. So that's where we are, and we also offer services in terms of, along with staffing, we also do software development as well as BPO, which is sort of like business process outsourcing.
So, can you tell us a bit about your journey? So, what led you to start Systemart?
That's a good question. Like I said earlier, it's a journey which we started out whereby we wanted to provide low-cost offshore solutions to our customers. So initially it was mainly the initial clients were our software development clients, but then the relationship grew whereby some of our customers wanted us to provide more than what we were doing for them. And that's how we continued the growth, and over the journey of 25 years, the model kept on switching and we kept on giving more and more services to customers.
That sounds great. Just to discuss more about Systemart, what are some of the achievements the company has achieved so far, and how did you earn them?
Yes, good question. I think one big achievement that we can say about the company itself is it's a continuity of the business for 25 years. It speaks for itself. Like a lot of companies that we have seen come and go in between. But the major achievement has been we are still in the business, we are profitable, and we are able to run. And we owe these two major factors. One is our customers, who have so much trust on us to give these services to them for over the years. And like I can tell you, the longevity of a customer, one of our customers we have, it's been with us for almost 20 years now. And we continue to provide them the good resources and the service level, so that satisfaction is maintained and we continue to grow the relationship with them as of right now. Another factor is our employees. We have our employees, many of them have been with us for over 10 years, and apparently they are the foundation of our growth and satisfactory services. So we owe it to them as well.
That sounds really interesting. So, in this podcast, you mentioned that you're a staffing company, and so basically the question is, what was the hiring industry like when you guys first started, and how has it evolved since then?
Oh, good question. I think over the years, because of the technology improvements, because of the customer requirements and the industry, because we also seen some of our customers come and go. When we started out, it was more of a IT kind of a thing, because it started in 1999. And that's when there's a major term that they used to call it at Y2K, which is like many people are concerned that what happens that now the decade changes from year 2000, from 1999 to 2000, how will it impact the software systems and all that? That's been out there. So most of the focus when we started out was IT only at the time. But over the years and recently, as you can also see that with the AI technology coming in, the industry is changing again. A lot of places where AI is getting into the picture right now for hiring purposes. And many of our customers are asking for that as well, to see how we are utilizing the AI, because that brings a lot of efficiencies in our hiring models. So that's been really helpful in terms of like the hiring. The industry has changed over years.
Like you said, the company has been there since 25 years, so a lot of experience. So what do you think has been the biggest factor behind your company's growth?
Our company's growth is providing a satisfactory solutions to our customers' needs. That's where our customers rely on us to give us the business. They continue to give us the opportunities, and we work together with them to see where are the additional opportunities that we can help them with. So we are sort of like open-minded in terms of serving the customer. Whatever the needs are, if we can able to do it, and if we can help customers grow their business, be more competitive, they rely on us. And we want to make sure that relationship works both ways. So we are not like a vendor to them, we are more of a partner to them. And that's been a big factor. And like I said earlier as well, another ability for us is our employees' ability to deliver the solutions and customer needs and all that to them. That's how it's sort of like a relationship whereby the matchmaking kind of thing. You give the qualified people to them and they are happy with those people and they continue to give you more business.
Yeah, I definitely agree with all your points. So I know you said you've been open for so long, but there was also a point of time where COVID-19 hit and a lot of businesses were struggling. So how did you guys deal with the freezes or economic downturns of the COVID or recession periods?
That's a very good question, Tanvi. What happens is, because we are sort of like a vigilant in terms of how we are doing on a daily basis to see where are the opportunities, what's going on kind of thing, how is the economy doing, because we have seen ups and downs in 25 years. And COVID is a big example because a lot of surprises were there, a lot of people, including us, we didn't know where things are going to go, how the business is going to run, how the impact is going to be to us, our employees and our customers. But luckily what had happened during that time is many of our customers sort of like, because of uncertainties, they cancel a lot of the contracts for our people. But luckily what had happened is during that year, we started branching out into healthcare. We were not serving healthcare industry earlier, but that luckily during that COVID time, we started out working on the healthcare, and that helped us 2020 onwards. Our healthcare business has shot up, and we have been able to deliver the solutions. We had to change our business model a bit, learn about healthcare, how it works, who the people are, how the industry works, and where to get source the thing. So it's us to make sure that like it's a new kind of customer that we got, but we want to provide them. So keeping an eye on the market, the economy, and the businesses certainly help us stay ahead of the game.
So, as you said, and right now you guys focus on healthcare. You shift your focus to that primarily. So, how did you know that you wanted to focus on healthcare specifically, rather than any other field that wasn't working out for you guys?
Let me just go over. We are not doing healthcare only. It's not a primary thing. Also, it is yes, it is certainly certain part of our business today. More than 25% of our total revenue. But our other industries and our other clients are also being served. So they are bringing us the revenue year after year after year. But because of this healthcare, it has also helped us open up additional doors. And now we are able to serve them as well. So it's not only healthcare that we have not changed our focus, but we have added additional industry to our focus. Our main business is still continuing, and like I said, the industry drives us because we want to make sure that we don't stay behind in terms of the business. At the same time, how can we be more efficient to provide the right resources to our customers? So that's where we also use technologies constantly to improve our operations, to bring efficiency in our business.
Sounds great. As you were talking about your experiences, you must have seen so many hiring companies come and go. So what are some common mistakes you have noticed in these companies that they make in recruitment today?
You're right. Over the years, like many companies come and go, and then, but we constantly learn. Like I said earlier, also that we continue to look at the economy, continue to look at the customer base, and in the news to see what's happening, where the shift is happening. Is some customer losing the business? Are we? Because we also see secondary or third tier also. Like when they are impacted, when the customer is impacted, then it slowly impacts us as well. So two things we do is we constantly look for new customer, and at the same time we also look for the same customer what other areas of services that we do not cater to them we can provide to them. I hope that answers your question. Go ahead.
I think it does. So throughout this interview, you also mentioned that the rise of AI, and I feel like today this is a really important topic because majority of today has a lot to do with technology and AI. So how does like a business stay relevant in today's market with the constant changes in technology and top talent demands?
Technology has been a big factor, as you all know. The computers has come into picture, then the mobile phone, and then the smartphones and all the mobile apps and all that is making our life easier. AI seems to be a very big thing going on right now, and because most of our operations, like I would say till last year, year before, was all manual, whereby our recruiting team will, as soon as the customer needs are coming in, the project management team, the accounting team, the account management, as well as our recruiting management, they understand the requirement. Then we have recruiters who start looking at internal databases, which is being used. We use internal database to hold our resumes. We call it the standard term is ATS, which is applicant tracking system. We constantly monitor. We use those technologies. We've been using this maybe at least last 5 years or more. Now AI is coming into picture. So what is happening is AI is bringing a lot of efficiencies. So in terms of if you consider our phase, like a customer gives us something, let's say they are looking for some kind of a resource, and they give us a job description. We start looking into it first, and then but it's all manual process. So with AI, what we are bringing right now, I'll give you an example that our ATS people have already streamed. Let's say we have over 200,000 resumes in our database, internal database. So what happens is once the requirement comes in, our team looks into our internal database. They used to do searches, manual searches in terms of like Boolean search and all that. But with AI coming in, we started using, as soon as the job description is put in, AI starts running it gives us the resumes in the order of where the matching is happening. So the automation is really helping us, and then we are using AI even to the next step, meaning that once the resumes are being sorted, we are looking at to see how we can use voice automation, whereby the AI agents will call and interview these candidates. So that's where the AI we are using it, and we will constantly use it to become more efficient, so that we can submit qualified candidates to our customers in a very timely manner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is great, and it was amazing to see how diverse and complex the recruitment and hiring industry can be, and we really value the information you shared, and we're sure our listeners are too. Before we end this off, can you share with our listeners where they can connect with you or learn more about your company?
Yeah, they can certainly go to our website, Systemart.com, and if they have any questions, they can send out questions to email it to info@systemart.com.
Okay. So it was really great interviewing you and learning so much more about your company and how it's been surviving for so long in such a difficult market. And this was the third episode of the TrueBiz podcast, and we are your hosts, Shanvi and Sanvi, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, stay curious and keep it real.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving us the opportunity, and we are really thankful
Of
to you.
course. Thank you.
Take care.